Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending your valuable time with us today. We truly appreciate your support, your kindness, and your willingness to learn and grow with our community. This channel is not only about learning English, it is also about improving your thinking, your confidence, your mindset, and your life. By watching videos like this, you can improve your English listening skills, learn natural sentence patterns, discover useful vocabulary, practice pronunciation, and at the same time receive powerful life lessons that may inspire you to become a better version of yourself. Many people study English only through grammar books and exercises, but one of the best ways to improve naturally is by listening to meaningful stories and motivational messages in simple English. That is why today's video is specially designed to help you learn English while also thinking deeply about your own life. So please stay with us until the very end, because today's message is something every person in the world needs to hear. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future videos filled with English learning, motivation, and life wisdom. Now let us begin. Today's topic is, this is not just time passing, this is your life. Many people believe life is very long. When we are young, 1 year feels like a very long time. Children cannot wait to grow up. Teenagers believe they still have endless opportunities ahead. Even adults often think there will always be another chance later. But life moves quietly. Very quietly. At first we do not notice it. Days pass slowly. Weeks feel ordinary. Months disappear silently. And then suddenly we look back and realize that years have gone by. One day you are entering school for the first time. Then suddenly you are finishing school. One day your parents look young and strong. Then suddenly their hair becomes gray. One day you tell yourself you still have plenty of time. Then suddenly you begin to wonder where all the years went. This happens because people often forget one important truth. Time is not separate from life. Time is life itself. Every minute that passes is a small part of your existence disappearing forever. You can earn lost money again. You can rebuild success after failure. You can buy new possessions, but you can never get back one lost moment of life. Think carefully about that. Right now, while you are listening to these words, your life is moving forward second by second. Whether you are happy or sad, rich or poor, motivated or tired, the clock continues moving. It never stops for anyone. There was once a young man named Daniel. Daniel was intelligent, creative, and full of dreams. He wanted to become successful one day. He wanted to learn English fluently. He wanted to start his own business. He wanted to travel to different countries and help his parents live a better life. But Daniel had one dangerous habit. He wasted time without realizing how serious it was. Every morning he woke up and checked social media for just 5 minutes. But 5 minutes became 30 minutes. 30 minutes became 2 hours. At night, instead of studying or improving himself, he watched random videos until midnight. He always told himself, "I will start tomorrow. I still have time." I am still young. Years passed this way. One afternoon, Daniel attended a school reunion. He met old classmates he had not seen for many years. Some had become teachers. Some had started businesses. Some spoke English confidently. Some had traveled abroad. Daniel smiled politely while talking to them, but deep inside he felt disappointed in himself. He realized something painful. The problem was not lack of talent. The problem was how he used his time. That night, Daniel sat alone in his room. The room was quiet except for the sound of a clock ticking on the wall. Tick, tick, tick. For the first time, he truly listened to that sound. Suddenly, he understood something deeply emotional. The clock was not only counting hours, it was counting his life. Every tick was a moment he would never see again. That realization changed him completely. The next morning, Daniel did not suddenly become perfect. He did not wake up as a millionaire or genius, but he changed one small habit. Instead of wasting his morning on social media, he spent 30 minutes reading English articles. It felt difficult at first. His mind wanted distraction. His old habits tried to pull him backward, but he continued. After a few weeks, 30 minutes became 1 hour. 1 hour became a daily routine. Then he started listening to English podcasts while traveling. He wrote down new vocabulary every day. He exercised in the evenings instead of lying in bed for hours. He spent less time complaining and more time improving himself. The progress was slow, very slow. Sometimes he felt discouraged because success did not come quickly. But one important thing had changed. He was finally respecting his time. Months later, Daniel noticed something incredible. His confidence improved, his English improved, his thinking improved, his health improved. Most importantly, he finally felt proud of himself. This is how life changes. Not through magic, not through luck, not through waiting. Life changes through small daily decisions repeated consistently. Sadly, many people do not understand this until it is too late. Some people spend years waiting for motivation before taking action, but motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel motivated. Other days you feel tired, sad, or lazy. If success depended only on motivation, very few people would achieve anything meaningful. That is why discipline is more important than motivation. Discipline means doing what needs to be done even when you do not feel like doing it. A disciplined student studies even when tired. A disciplined athlete trains even when lazy. A disciplined person continues improving even during difficult times. Discipline protects your future from temporary emotions. Another dangerous thing stealing human life today is endless distraction. Modern technology is useful, but it can also become a trap. Many people spend more time watching other people live than building their own lives. Hours disappear through scrolling, gossip, entertainment, and meaningless arguments online. At the end of the day, they feel mentally exhausted but have achieved nothing valuable. Imagine spending 5 hours every day learning useful skills instead of wasting time online. In 1 year, your life could completely transform. You could learn English fluently. You could read dozens of books. You could improve your health. You could build knowledge that changes your future career. Great success is usually not created by one giant action. It is created by hundreds of small good habits. Think about a river. A river looks soft and gentle, but over time it can cut through solid rock. Why? Because consistent action is powerful. Human life works the same way. Small daily efforts may seem unimportant today, but over time they create extraordinary results. This is why patience matters so much. Many people quit too early because they do not see immediate success. But nature itself teaches patience. A seed planted today does not become a tree tomorrow. It grows slowly underground before anyone even notices it. In the same way, personal growth often happens invisibly at first. Maybe today your English is weak. Maybe today your confidence is low. Maybe today your life feels difficult. But if you continue improving little by little every day, your future can become completely different. Never underestimate small progress. Even one positive habit can change an entire life. There is another important lesson many people ignore. Life is uncertain. Nobody knows exactly how much time they truly have. Some people spend their whole lives preparing to live someday, but someday never comes. That is why today is precious. Tell people you love them while you still can. Spend time with family while they are still here. Learn the skills you dream about now, not later. Travel when possible. Forgive people. Forgive yourself. Do not waste your entire life carrying anger and regret. At the end of life, people rarely regret working hard toward meaningful goals. They regret the opportunities they ignored, the dreams they postponed, the moments they failed to appreciate. A peaceful life is not built from luxury alone. It is built from meaningful moments, good relationships, self-respect, and wise use of time. Even happiness itself depends on how we spend our lives. If you spend years doing meaningless things, your heart eventually feels empty. But when you spend time learning, growing, helping others, and improving yourself, life begins to feel meaningful. That meaning gives real happiness. So ask yourself honestly, where's your time going every day? Are your daily habits creating the future you truly want, or are they slowly destroying your potential? Sometimes the truth is uncomfortable, but honest self-reflection is necessary for growth. Remember this carefully. Every sunrise is giving you another opportunity to study, another opportunity to improve your health, another opportunity to become kinder, wiser, stronger, and better than yesterday. Do not wait for a perfect life before becoming serious about your future. Perfect conditions rarely exist. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Start now. Even 10 minutes of learning every day is better than doing nothing for years. Before ending this video, take a deep moment to think about your own life. One day, all of us will look back at the years we lived. And when that moment comes, the most important question will not be, how much money did I make? Or how famous was I? The real question will be, did I truly live my life meaningfully? Because this is not just time passing. This is your life. Every second matters. Every decision matters. Every day matters. So live carefully. Learn continuously. Work hard quietly. Love deeply. Forgive quickly. and never waste the beautiful gift called life. If this video touched your heart or helped you practice English, please like, share, and comment below. Tell us what lesson inspired you the most today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more long English learning motivational videos and meaningful life stories. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay strong, keep learning, and see you in the next video.